Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to rehearsal packaging on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pandabuy. So right now we are going to go to Reddit where I found a guide that perfectly explained everything about rehearsal process. As you can see guys, this guy asked, can someone please talk to me over the rehearsal process? So right here, I found this guy who answered him, rehearsal gives you an accurate weight of your parcel instead of the estimated one that gets generated automatically. However, rehearsal is normally used when shipping with volumetric lines because giving you a real weight of the parcel, you can easily inquire the price of the possible shipping. The estimated weight calculator is usually on point, so when shipping with non-volumetric line, rehearsal is pretty useless. What do you mean non-volumetric? Lines that only calculate the weight no matter how big the box has. For example, ordering a shoe with a box would make it take more space in order to fit volumetrically. But for sim lines, that fact doesn't matter. Rehearsal shipping is to see exactly how much everything chosen would cost to ship. They pack it up, weight it, and then tell you the exact price instead of an estimated price for your chosen shipping option. So, as you can see, guys, right here in this picture, this is how the rehearsal looks like. So, it says rehearsal right here, and the number is here, and all of the information is right here. So, the volume and the weight. So, this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.